scared him. Did you mean to do that?
No, I was trying to jump up.
You didn't like that.
I'm sorry.
You didn't like that, honey. Go. Did you get scared? He's so mad at you now. You're in trouble. What happened? Huh? Now you're tired? Can't believe he did that to you, Nico. Poor guy.